might want to get that. Harley, got anything going on?
Oh, tearing apart some transmissions, getting everything diagged.
Okay.
Going from there today.
Yeah.
Shot out some estimates.
Some estimates?
Checked out a couple other local bike shops.
This is Harley. Pulls up to the local bike shop. We don't want him to know who we are. Side of his truck, big ass 77 Cycles logo.
Yeah. I'll show him.
We're gonna take the cam chest out of this. We got some gear drive cams we're gonna put in it. We're gonna do the rocker box mod on the rocker arms up top. And that's about it. It's a 585 S&S gear drive cam. We're gonna keep it real mild on this 88. The best way, they last a lot longer when you fuck with them less. That's just the recipe that I've kind of came up with, and I haven't blown any up since then, so that's what I'm gonna keep running.
Hey, if it works, it works.
That's it.
You're staying for the stunts, guys. They don't need a ton of power.
No, I mean a mild torque cam is pretty much all you need.
Right. Torque.
You don't need high horsepower. You just need something to pull you up off the ground.
Right.
No, that's it.
Well,
It's gonna be that crazy.
People think you need a ton of power to do burnouts.
Not true. You need good front brakes though.
Good roller, yeah. The brakes are important. Harley, I need to check the hands to see if they're dirty or not. I don't know, man.
Give it time, dude. I'll wipe them on the floor.
Those look pretty clean.
This is one of those like 20-minute things where it looks like it takes 5 seconds.
I'll speed it up for you.
He can't even weld, bro, so of course we're not talking about him.
We need to have a competition.
Okay.
Oh, can I get in on it?
Weld on?
Absolutely.
Sweet. I got you, boys. I got you, boys. I might be behind the camera, but I know how to run a welder.
Everybody here in the shop.
No MIG, TIG welding.
No,
I can TIG.
MIG, TIG, and stick. Let's fucking run.
Yeah.
Let's do it. I don't give a fuck.
Oh, man.
Just leave it. I'm gonna do your breathers right now. Look at that.
What do they say? Kiss? Keep it simple?
That's what I was saying. It's like you don't exactly gotta follow the manual.
No? No?
You go out there, you fuck it up, and you learn how to do it yourself.
It's really more
It's true.
of a recommendation than it is a requirement.
Oh, that's when you're like, you know what? Click, alright. Oh fuck, that wasn't a click. That's how that goes.
I got performance issues myself when the camera's on.
Then I just cranked my hog, dude.
Gotta crank the hog.
I cranked it so much last night. Fuck, dude.
Sometimes I crank my friend's hogs, you know?
I woke up my wrist and my hand
I
was
think I need
swollen.
to go to Cranking Hogs Anonymous, dude.
Hey, I'll have a class set up soon.
Cause I'm addicted, dog. I got a fucking serious problem.
Yeah. That's what I was saying.
Are those the drive shafts?
Oh shit, dude.
Yeah, those are the drive shafts.
Nice.
Rods?
I thought those were drive shafts.
Just want to show you my rod, dude.
I might powder coat those black too.
Yeah, you should. You should. Powder coat those?
I think if you powder coat it black,
Yeah.
it
at least
instantly.
10 more
I think it
horsepower.
becomes. No, I think the girth. I think everything enlarges.
Well, yeah. I mean, black pipes are definitely
Yeah.
a lot longer than chrome ones.
I mean, fact. We proved that the other week.
Yeah.
Don't post that, seriously.
No, I'm.
But post it. I said don't post it.
I did.
I did.
So this is a new product that me and 77 have been working on. It's a full TV mount for your Dyna. So essentially, instead of having a tail light, you just have a fucking 40-inch TV back here.
Hey, that's safety.
Talk about product.
Telling all of them, man, they haven't released it yet. This is 585.
251. Saying it's a 579 lift. 3,000 to 5,500 RPM. I think the CVs and the Makunis, I don't know, with the weight, it's like almost like forgiving. I've tried this, I've tried Electrons, I've tried Makunis, I've tried EFI, and CV floats the best. Now, if you're gonna talk about like true performance and having your shit dialed at every throttle position and RPM and your air-fuel ratio is exactly what you want, I have been considering converting to EFI on my dyno. A little bit more consistent, but it's not as forgiving.
What you doing over here?
Oh, getting these trap doors ready, man. We're gonna take them apart, blast them. Some are getting painted, some are getting powder coated.
Okay.
I'm checking on the shank, knocking all these bearings out of here first, and I gotta pull all the dowels. Then OF Performance is gonna do some of the powder and the blasting on. Nice to have everything right here in-house.
Oh, yeah, for sure.
Got a couple Sportster transmissions that are gonna go together within this week. We've got a couple 5-speeds, got some 6s. We got Manic Cycle sending us one of their customers tomorrow. We're gonna put that one on the rack, tear it all down. He's gonna get one of our 6-speed setups. It's gonna be rad.
Comment below. What? Where's that go to? What is that? What year is that going?
We're gonna call the back owner.
You gonna call the back owner?
We're gonna call the back owner, we're gonna tell him it's blown up.
Uh-oh. I didn't do it.
We're gonna need 5 bands from you, buddy. Or we won't put it back together.
We're gonna hold your motor hostage.
Alright, let's see what he wants to do. Hello, it's Bob with The Price is Right. What's good, bro? Not shit. So we just got this cam ripped out, and bro, the cam that's in here, dude, it's already like it's not far off from the other cam that you have. Like the lift on it. The lift on this cam is 579, and the lift on your other cam is 585.
Wait, so they both have cams?
Yeah, so it's like I'm looking at everything like, I mean, dude, this thing's got a high compression motor in it. Like, it's got updated valve springs, and it's just like, dude, it's not even worth.
What you doing?
Set up a run out tool so we can measure the crank and see where we're at. So we can get it.
I mean, dude, I'm gonna be honest with you, I would just run what's in here, dude.
So neither of them are stock?
No, neither one of them are stock, no.
All right, ready?
Here, go ahead.
Where are we at?
3,000. 4.
4?
Yep.
Fucking A.
You gotta be smart. I have broken spokes that I've been.
49mm straight.
Yep. What are you doing? Tell everybody.
Alright, so this is called the rocker box mod. So essentially, I'll do it from the back. These are off of a twin cam. And essentially you'll drill these little ports out to an 1/8" drill bit. And it'll help with manifold pressure. You won't get as much blow by and air fuel mixture as far as EPA shit goes. That's it. Don't make it too difficult. Just drill it out. That's it.
We gon' always run it back. What you know about it? Yeah, what you gon' do about it? We gon' always run it back. What you know about it? Yeah, what you gon' do about it? We gon' make the plays while you talk about it.
No, these and the parts cleaner.
We got this guy over here with dirty hands.
That's right. Get shit done, Bubba.
We need Bailey, dude. Crack stunts.
Oh yeah.
He always seem to kill me, yet I take a loss and go again. Ain't falling for your sentiments, everything that I said I'm in. They ain't wanna let me in, don't talk show, let them in. Worried I'm gonna serve them up like Wimbledon and win again and win again. There ain't no talking, moving military. Big homie, but they dealing with the kid again.
You'll thank me later. Maybe Friday we can do the crash cage,
Okay.
the rear bag guards, the bag supports.
I rock, I need a sculpture. Way y'all, you know what it is. I hold it sit down. They ain't see that we could be great. I bet they see it now. Yeah, dog, you know how we ride it. When we pull up, you know we slide it. Losing ain't an option, we surviving. And we gon' always run it back. What you know about it? Get what you gon' do about it?